Organisations today hold more data than ever before. The challenge is in being able to warehouse and analyse high volumes of data from multiple systems to discover valuable insights and trends. Introducing Illuminate, Novigi's cloud-based data and analytics platform. The Illuminate solution efficiently and automatically transforms and aggregates your data, allowing you to see the whole picture, make accurate data-driven decisions, and ultimately to extract greater business value from your data assets. Compatible with most reporting systems, Illuminate enables you to easily develop powerful data visualizations that transform big data into simple-to-understand graphics and reports. Using dashboards, graphs, maps, and other tools, you can quickly analyse and recognise key trends, potential issues, and new opportunities. Using Illuminate, you aggregate all of your data assets. Have flexibility to utilise a wide range of user-friendly data visualisation tools. Get more value from your data, allowing improved business decision-making and outcomes. Ask us about Illuminate.